In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a grouping activity on Edvento. From the teacher dashboard, click Create New Activity. Scroll down to the grouping activity, hover over the card, and click Create Game. I'm going to name this activity Acid or Base. Here, you can also make the activity public or private. If Make Public is turned on, the activity will be visible in the library. I'm going to turn it off and keep this activity private. Then click Create Activity. Now we are on the activity creation screen. First, let's set a background. Now we are ready to create the activity. At the top, we have the student instruction section, and we can also see the number of groups and items in the activity. By default, we have 2 groups. If you need more groups, simply click Add Group. There are 2 ways to add items to your groups. You can create them manually by clicking Add Text, Image, or Audio and entering each item yourself. This works well for small activities, but if you have many items, especially formulas, symbols, or equations, the Activity Creation Agent can save a lot of time. Open the Activity Creation Agent from the bottom right corner and provide your learning objectives. The agent will suggest different activity ideas. You can select one of the suggestions or enter your own prompt if you already know exactly what you want to create. For this activity, I'm asking the agent to create 2 groups with 10 acidic compounds and 10 basic compounds. Once the content is ready, I ask the agent to generate a CSV file. After the CSV file is generated, download it and return to Edvento. From the navigation bar, click Import. Select the CSV file and click Start Import. And now all 20 items have been imported automatically into the 2 groups. This is especially useful for formulas and symbols because I don't need to enter them one by one. Now we just need the student instruction. For this activity, I'll use Classify each compound into the correct group. Individual changes are saved automatically while you work, and when the activity is complete, click Save on the navigation bar.